In the previous step, we was seen that there is a method of standard URL. And in this video, we will discuss some other method. So the second method is web start. So how to do that? Again, we will open our forms web file, and at the end of the file we'll create a new entry. I'm giving it a name of test form web start. My form is again test form .fmx, and look and feel will be the same, and the user ID will be the same. And the next I will add one more parameter, that is web start is equal to enabled. Okay, so we will save this file, close it. Okay, so after the restart of our server, we are now able to access the link. For accessing the link, we will open our Microsoft Edge again, write the localhost, the port, forms, frm servlet, !config, and here we will write our address, that is test_form_web start. So this will download our file, that is the form servlet.jnlp. so we can save or open it. If you save the file, you can deploy this file to the client computer or client PC, and if you open it, you can see it is running on Java, and we will accept this warning, and we are able to access our test form that was previously developed. So you can see it's a separate window, and it's a main complete form. So that's it for this video.